What is going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and we have some breaking news regarding Palantir, and the ticker symbol is PLTR. Well, actually, tell a lie. We have two pieces of news regarding Palantir that surfaced today, and as a result of the news, Palantir has completely brushed off the negative tweet from Citron Research last week and is now on its way to retesting its all-time highs. I am so gassed. So in this video, I'll be bringing you the details of both the breaking news articles from earlier on today, and I want to share my thoughts and my overall opinions on how I think this will affect the company's fundamentals going forward. So make sure you watch until the end to get my full analysis and my full thoughts. So this news was brought to my attention by my guys Anoni and Under GRD from my Palantir channel in my Discord group. So shout out to both of you guys. Everyone in the Discord group is eating very, very well. And if you want to join the Discord group for up-to-date information just like this one, the link is in the description below and it's currently free, so definitely jump on board if you are interested. But before we jump into it, don't forget to destroy that like button. It lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. Also, if you are new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all the stocks that I am buying, all the stocks that I'm selling, and all the stocks that are on my watch list. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So the first breaking news regarding Palantir was this. The Greek government and Palantir reaffirmed digital transformation partnership. Now, this is incredible, right? This got me so excited. So you've got companies that are doing business dealings with other companies. And, we give them the respect, we give them a little pat on the back, a job well done. But when you're talking about Palantir, aka the big dogs, we are not doing business dealings with just other businesses. We are doing dealings with entire countries. So straight away, different class, we're on different levels, okay? But we move. The article goes on to say that Alex Karp, the co-founder and CEO of Palantir Technologies, spoke via teleconference on December the 3rd with Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis about Palantir's ever-expanding partnership with the government of Greece to support their Cyrone response efforts. Since the start of the pandemic, Palantir has worked with the Greek government to help enable data-driven decision-making in the context of the Cyrone pandemic response. The government is leveraging Palantir's Foundry software platform on top of Amazon's AWS infrastructure to deliver Cyrone response workflows to government officials responding to the pandemic. Of particular value has been the deployment of Crisis Control Center dashboard for the Prime Minister, which displays a holistic overview of the state of the Cyrone pandemic in Greece in real time. And there's a quote that says, "Our partnership with the Greek government was born out of the necessity once the pandemic began," said Alex Karp. So that's the CEO. "We have readily played a key role in their Cyrone response effort, which from our experience has been one of the best in the world. And we look forward to broadening this relationship for years to come." And so do I. The article goes on to say that the Ministry of Digital Governance, leading Greece's rapid digital transformation, played a pivotal role in facilitating the partnership swiftly, enabling top decision makers to start generating actionable insight within a matter of days. As the pandemic continues to evolve, Palantir will deliver advanced integration and analytic capabilities to a range of government initiatives to enable data-driven decision-making. Guys, this is incredible. Now, I don't know about you, but this gets me so excited. And I actually want to share with you a discussion that we had in the Discord, right? So Dinball, he's one of the Discord members, he said that morally, I just don't feel right investing in Palantir, but I can see it taking off. To which I then replied to him, I said, "This is what held me back from buying the IPO, bro. Leave your feelings at the door." Facts. Then A said, "The pound has no feelings," which again is facts, pure facts. But the key point that I want to highlight from this conversation is this. A said, "Besides, Palantir only provide the data. It's the humans who do the rest." I mean, that pretty much says it all in my opinion. Palantir provide the data and it's us humans that decide what we want to do with that information. So in Greece's case, for example, they have decided to use Palantir software for good and of course to help their citizens during a pandemic. Yes, there are companies or countries who choose to use this software for bad. granted. But that's not Palantir or Palantir's investors' problem. And this is where I think Palantir can be actually misunderstood as a company. But now I have a better understanding of the company. I am so glad that I spent last week loading up on the dips. So thank you, Citron Research. Now, the second major news that was released was actually a pleasant surprise. And again, it wasn't something that I was expecting or I knew beforehand. So it's crazy, but it was a pleasant surprise. And it says that Palantir wins FDA contract to power drug review inspections. Palantir Technologies Inc. won a deal with the US Food and Drug Administration to help power drug reviews and inspections, further expanding the company's government business as it hustles to hit a raised revenue target for 2020. Now, most importantly, how much is this deal with the FDA worth? And it says the 3-year deal is worth $44.4 million. And will allow the FDA's Center for Drug Evaluation and Research and also the Oncology Center of Excellence to use Palantir software to integrate and analyze data. The software will help the agency approve drugs, including possible C-Roni treatments, and also to monitor the safety of items like hand sanitizer. Earlier this year, the FDA warned the public that hand sanitizers containing wood alcohol were toxic. The FDA contract is one of dozens Palantir has secured with the US federal agencies in recent years. Okay, so my opinion on all of this. The last time I was this bullish on a stock was BAE Systems. And I made that my largest UK stock position in my portfolio, and it's doing really well. Now, Amazon is my largest US stock in my growth portfolio, but I'm really starting to think that probably it's time that Amazon actually has a partner right about now. I mean, both news articles that I just read to you should really tell you the importance this company is, not just to businesses, forget that, but to entire countries. And we are able to pick this stock up for $20 and some change. I mean, it's insane. And yes, look, you can argue that the evaluation, you can argue the market cap, but I'm finding it really hard to place an evaluation on this company's importance. I mean, look at Tesla, for example. Tesla's evaluations does not make any sense. And I'm a proud shareholder of Tesla, but I will be the first to admit that from a valuation standpoint, it doesn't make sense. It's crazy. But when you understand how important this company is for climate change and also the global push to reduce emissions, then it might actually start to make a little bit of sense, a little ounce of sense. But again, how can you place or value this level of importance? I mean, personally, I don't think your PE ratios is going to be able to do that. And I think this is the same thing for Palantir right now. But regardless, I want to say a massive congratulations to everyone in my Discord group who picked up Palantir on the dip when I put my alert out. We are eating really, really good and we're happy with our positions. But with all that said, please make sure that you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any stock. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational and not investing advice. If you do want to learn about investing in stocks, then there are some useful links in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. Don't forget to smash that like button, especially if you're a Palantir shareholder. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.